Hey, what's up? This is Sean Rampersad here with TMG, the Mortgage Group. Today, I'm going to be explaining something that you may have heard of. It's a draw mortgage. So, what is a draw mortgage? And this is your construction mortgage guide. First and foremost, what's a draw mortgage? A draw mortgage is also known as a construction mortgage. So, it's the same thing. It's a mortgage type used to finance the construction of a property. It allows for a home builder to draw on funds as needed to complete a build. Normally, in a draw mortgage, a builder will need to submit receipts and proof at certain stages of a build that they're complete prior to getting the funds released by the lender. So let's talk about who needs a draw mortgage. So sometimes it's a person. So if you're building the property yourself, you may need a draw mortgage yourself. Okay. If a builder is building the property, sometimes if they do not have enough cash to do a completion mortgage, and I did another video on the completion mortgages that I'll put in the description below. But if they don't have enough cash to complete a property themselves, they'll ask you for a draw. So you're going to have to tell your mortgage broker, "Yay, I need a draw mortgage." So if you need a draw mortgage, please call me anytime. I'll leave my number in the comments below. But let me get more into it so you know what it is and you know what the risks are of a draw mortgage. So, what are the disadvantages of a draw mortgage? The downside of a draw mortgage is that you'll need to start making payments on the mortgage as soon as the first draw happens. Okay. So, even though you're not living in the property, if you've taken a draw, you're going to have to start making payments on the draw mortgage. Further to this, your builder could collect the money and not use it for your build. So, if let's say the builder poured your foundation and then they called your bank and said, "Hey, I want to draw for 150,000," and then they book off and don't complete your home build. Well, that is a massive problem, and that's one of the reasons I don't highly recommend draw mortgages unless you know you're dealing with a reputable builder. And I did another video about dealing with builders and what to look out for, so make sure you take a look at that video. What's the difference between a completion mortgage and a draw mortgage? So a completion mortgage, all it is it's like a regular transaction. It's the builder doesn't want their money until you've done your walkthrough of the house, you've agreed to take possession of the house, then the builder will want their money. Normally, a completion mortgage is on a set date, February 25th, for example, of 2025. That could be your completion date. Or the case of a draw mortgage, uh, the draw mortgage is where they take money at stages and then they pay the builder money at stages. Or if you're the builder, they'll pay you at stages. It's really great if you're the builder yourself because you can go through certain stages and then get paid for it as you're putting money out. So it keeps your cash flow up. So, how does a draw mortgage work? It happens in stages. So, first, you're going to have to go to your lender and you're going to have to provide blueprints and quotes for every part of the build. And I did this myself on the property that I'm filming in right now. But basically, I had to get quotes for everything. I had to get quotes for this wallpaper, drywall, the foundation. I quotes with the permits, everything, and I had to submit that all to the bank before they would approve the mortgage itself. Your builder will do that. If you're dealing with a builder, they'll provide all that data for you to give to your mortgage lender, or they might do it directly. Stage two, permit applications, digging ground, foundation, framing. This can all happen in the first draw. So basically, you're going to use your own money to do this. You're going to complete the work, and then you're going to provide the invoices to your bank that show that you've made those payments or that those payments are due. Then the lawyer is going to send an inspector out, and then they will approve it and put the funds right into your bank account so that you can pay your trades or pay yourself back if you've already paid the trades. Next stage will be lockup. So windows, doors, garage doors, exterior doors, and exterior finishing. Once that's all done, you use the same routine as before. So you're going to take your receipts, You're going to give it to the bank, or you're going to give it to your mortgage broker, give it to me, and I present that back. The lawyer will then send an inspector out to make sure that that work was done, and then we will release funds to you. Okay? Stage 4, drywall, paint, kitchen, bathroom, all the final things for the property to be complete. So this is right before your possession. This is considered your final draw. Okay? At stage 4, the exact same thing happens. They send the inspector out. They make sure that you get your occupancy permit from whatever municipality you're in, and then they release the final funds to you. At that point, you can make some changes to your mortgage. You can tell them, "Oh, I want to be on a variable. I want to be on a 5-year fixed, or whatever that might be," and away you go. So normally, this is the structure that used. However, some banks allow up to 6 draws. Now, this being said, not every bank does draw mortgages. So please call me if you need a draw. I will do all the research for you. I like to get draws at multiple stages, as many draws as possible, so that you have the maximum amount of cash flow, or your builder has the maximum amount of cash flow in order to get the job complete. So I would most likely recommend a bank that gives more draws. Guys, my name is Sean Rampersad. I want to thank you for watching the video. I am the easiest way to get approved for a mortgage. I can be reached at 780-278-4847. Please call me with any questions, or comment in the comment section below so that I can answer those questions for everyone. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I've got tons of great information on my channel. Take a look.